Hello, classmate and tutor. My name is Christian Galindez. I am 21 years old. I live in La Argentina, Huila. I study bachelor degree in foreign languages teaching. I go in 8th semester. I work in the farm with my father. We cultivate avocado, cut the grass, and for example, cut the grass and take care of the industry. I live with my parents, brother, and sister. I had a daughter. My daughter is 4 years. I live in the file. So far in the town in the Argentina, so far this part of called Barrio del Progreso, and I work to Monday at Saturday, and I study in the evening. I realize my homeworks, and the Sundays I work, and another I had to realize my activities in the university. Thank you so much.